Crunchy Kelp Noodle Salad. This salad is full of color and flavor, and it is great for healthy lunches. Kelp noodles are gluten-free and low-carb, with a neutral taste that absorbs whatever type of sauce or dressing you prefer. They're also a great source of iodine, which is essential for producing thyroid hormones and managing metabolic processes. Kelp also contains high levels of antioxidants. Okay, so here goes with the recipe. You will need the following ingredients. 1 package of kelp noodles. 1 lemon, juiced. 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Hot filtered water. 1 cup of edamame beans. 1 cup of carrots, shredded. 2 cups of red cabbage, shredded. 2 cups of kale, shredded, remove the thick stems. 2 Persian cucumbers, shaved into thin strips using a vegetable peeler. 1/4 of a cup of fresh mint leaves. 1/3 of a cup of dry roasted cashews. And for the dressing, 1/4 of a cup of apple cider vinegar. 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. 2 tablespoons of coconut aminos. 2 tablespoons of toasted sesame oil. 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Now that we have all the ingredients, let's go through the method. In a large bowl, add lemon juice and baking soda and let it fizz. Remove the kelp noodles from packaging and transfer into the bowl along with enough boiling water to cover the kelp. Let it rest in the bowl for at least 15 minutes while preparing the salad components. Prepare all the salad components, set aside or in the refrigerator if serving the salad later. Place the cashews onto a flat surface and crush them using the bottom of a cup or roughly chop with a knife, set aside. To assemble the salad, strain the liquid from the kelp noodles and rinse with cold water. Place in a colander and make sure the noodles are dry. Transfer the dry kelp noodles into a mixing bowl and add the dressing, toss to coat. Combine the kelp with all of the vegetables and mint, then toss to combine. Serve with crushed cashews on top and extra mint for garnish, if desired. Take a seat and enjoy your meal. It is keto-friendly, so eat as much as you like. Thanks for watching. For more health updates and recipes, click that like and subscribe button.